Have you ever wondered what makes a pet different from a wild animal? It's a question that tickles the curiosity of many. The difference is primarily due to a process called domestication. This is the process by which humans have, over many generations, adapted animals to live with us and rely on us for their needs. When we talk about domestic animals, we're referring to those like dogs, cats, and even farm animals. These creatures have been bred and raised in a human environment, and they depend on us for their necessities like food and shelter. On the other hand, wild animals are those who live independently of humans. They hunt for their food, find their own shelter, and generally live according to the laws of nature. They are not adapted to live in a human environment, and they do not depend on us for their survival. So, while both pets and wild animals are part of the same animal kingdom, their lifestyles and behaviors are vastly different. But how exactly are domestic animals different from wild animals? This question may seem simple at first glance, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Domestic animals such as dogs, cats, and cows have been bred by humans for thousands of years. They've been selectively bred for specific traits that make them useful or appealing to us. For instance, dogs have been bred for their loyalty and trainability, while cows have been bred for their milk and meat. These animals live alongside us, whether in our homes, farms, or neighborhoods, and are dependent on humans for their survival. On the other hand, wild animals like lions, eagles, or sharks evolve naturally, honing traits that help them survive in their respective environments. Their behavior, physical characteristics, and living conditions are all shaped by the demands of their habitat. They hunt for their food, defend their territories, and adapt to changing conditions, all without human intervention. The physical differences between domestic and wild animals can be striking as well. Domestic animals often show variations in size, shape, and color that fit human preferences, while wild animals maintain physical traits that provide them with the best chance of survival in their environment. So you see, domestication is a partnership between humans and animals. It changes not just where animals live, but also their behavior, physical traits, and survival strategies. So it's not just about where they live, but also about how they behave and survive that separates domestic animals from their wild counterparts. What impact does domestication have on animals? Now that's a question that opens up a fascinating world of discovery. Let's delve into it. Domestication has a profound impact on animals. It alters their behavior, making them more docile and less fearful of humans. This change is a result of generations of selective breeding, choosing animals that are more cooperative and less aggressive. But it's not only behavior that's modified. Domestication can also change an animal's appearance. For instance, domesticated dogs come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny chihuahuas to towering Great Danes, all thanks to selective breeding. And what about lifespan? Domestic animals tend to live longer than their wild counterparts, largely due to regular meals and medical care. However, domestication is a double-edged sword. While it provides benefits for both animals and humans, it also has drawbacks. Animals may lose their natural instincts, and humans may overlook the animal's needs for the sake of convenience or aesthetics. Domestication certainly has its pros and cons, but it's undeniable that it has played a crucial role in shaping the world as we know it today. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered that domestic animals, like our cherished pets, have been bred over generations to live with humans. Wild animals, on the other hand, roam freely and follow their own natural instincts. We've also grasped how domestication impacts animals' behavior and physical characteristics. These adaptations make them more suited for life with us. Remember, whether they're running in the wild or cuddling with you on the couch, all animals are unique and play an important role in our world.